Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets template for a quick setup. So let's get started. Open your Google Sheets application on your phone. And if you want to use Google Sheets template, the first thing you have to do is click on this plus button. Then there will be two options for you. You can choose either template or new spreadsheet. And since we want to use Google Sheets template, we can click on choose templates right here. And make sure that you have internet connection, guys, because this option won't appear on our screen if we don't have internet connection. So just tap on this option, then there will be a lot of templates that we can use, and we can choose to-do list, annual budget, monthly budget, annual calendar, schedule, and it's up to you. You can choose it as you want. And for example, if you want to use the calendar template, you just need to tap on the template, and the template will be added to your spreadsheet. But wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, and it takes a little longer. It depends on our internet connection actually. Alright, and now the calendar has been added to our spreadsheet, and we can edit the calendar as we like. We can change the color, and we can also change the font. It's up to you. Okay guys, and that's how we can use Google Sheets template for a quick setup. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.